Migrating and transferring on-premises data centers to the cloud is a complicated, error-prone, and time-consuming process. You can accelerate your migration and modernization journey to the cloud with AWS. AWS offers a wide range of migration tools, guidance, services, and programs. They are developed to help you assess, migrate, and modernize applications and data. Using these tools and services, you can build the business case to leverage AWS services to deliver new experiences. These services are designed to streamline data and application migrations. The approach to migrating and modernizing drives real and measurable outcomes for the customers across cost savings, staff productivity, operational resilience, and business agility. Let's briefly introduce some of the migration and transfer services offered by AWS that are important for AWS beginners and for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. AWS Application Discovery Service. AWS Application Discovery Service helps enterprise customers plan migration projects by gathering information about their on-premises data centers. The service collects and presents configuration, uses, and behavior data from your servers to help you better understand your workloads. The collected data is retained in encrypted format in an AWS Application Discovery Service data store. You can export this data as a CSV file and use it to estimate the total cost of ownership (TCO) of running on AWS and to plan your migration to AWS. AWS Application Migration Service. AWS Application Migration Service (AWS MGN) allows you to quickly realize the benefits of migrating applications to the cloud without changes and with minimal downtime. The service minimizes time-intensive, error-prone manual processes by automatically converting your source servers from physical, virtual, or cloud infrastructure to run natively on AWS. It further simplifies your migration by enabling you to use the same automated process for a wide range of applications. AWS Database Migration Service. AWS Database Migration Service (AWS DMS) helps you migrate databases to AWS easily and securely. The source database remains fully operational during the migration, minimizing downtime to applications that rely on the database. The AWS Database Migration Service can migrate your data to and from most widely used commercial and open source databases. This service supports homogeneous migrations such as Oracle to Oracle, as well as heterogeneous migrations between different database platforms such as Oracle to Amazon Aurora or Microsoft SQL Server to MySQL. AWS Snow Family. The AWS Snow family helps customers that need to run operations in austere, non-data center environments and in locations where there's lack of consistent network connectivity. The Snow family comprises AWS Snowball Edge and AWS Snowball and offers a number of physical devices and capacity points, most with built-in computing capabilities. These services help physically transport up to exabytes of data into and out of AWS. Snow family devices are owned and managed by AWS and integrate with AWS security, monitoring, storage management, and computing capabilities. AWS Transfer Family. AWS Transfer Family provides fully managed support for file transfers directly into and out of Amazon S3 and Amazon EFS. The service uses Secure File Transfer Protocol (SFTP), File Transfer Protocol over SSL (FTPS), and File Transfer Protocol (FTP). As a result, the AWS Transfer family helps you seamlessly migrate your file transfer workflows to AWS by integrating with existing authentication systems and providing DNS routing with Amazon Route 53, so nothing changes for your customers and partners or their applications. In conclusion, you can accelerate your migration and modernization journey to the cloud with AWS by using the migration tools, guidance, services, and programs. These services are designed and developed to help you assess, migrate, and modernize applications and data, from building the business case to leveraging AWS services to deliver new experiences.